Well, I got a VHS here. Duh. But it's a Sears model. There's one problem in it. There's a tape stuck in it. I picked this up from eBay because I want to be able to control my own things. Sorry about the cat. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. Well, no better time than now to do one. Lighting in here isn't very good. I apologize. I just don't know where I can find a battery. And there's a tape stuck in it, like I said. I hope that I could find some of this, because I really don't want to give up. I wish they made a more modern version. I'm going to show off the other ones. Maybe someone out there in the comments can tell me if you have any tips or any way I could, get this thing up and running, or where to find more batteries. Okay, I'm going to do another video about my other camcorders. Goodbye.